Welcome back to school. I'm Mrs. Harbour. I'm the art and STEM specialist here at Jefferson. This is me with my mask on. I look forward to learning everybody's names this year again and making and creating things with you. We get to create art, design, build, use all kinds of materials in our class. Help us design and create things, we use the design process. We ask questions, imagine solutions, we make plans, we create, and we improve. I also have 2 daughters. They are in middle school and high school. In the summer, I'm learning to paint outside, and we also like to spend some time on the water, and we like to kayak, and we also really enjoy eating outside. This is my husband's specialty meal, paella. He learned to make when he was in Spain, and we love eating his creations of paella. This is me and my oldest daughter, Tegan, and this is me and my youngest daughter, Talia. As a family, we also love to spend outdoors in the winter skiing and snowboarding. At home, we are raising chickens, and we also spend a lot of time with our kitty cat, Iggy. She brings us a lot of joy. I look forward to spending time with you this year, and we'll see you soon.